Get ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography with the S155 MAX GPS drone. This isn't just another drone, it's a feature-packed powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and aspiring professionals seeking high-end capabilities without breaking the bank. We've taken it for a spin, and here's what makes it stand out. Crystal clear visuals and unshakable stability. Marketed with 8K high-definition photography potential, the S155 MAX delivers stunning visuals through its primary professional 4K camera. Capture incredibly detailed 4096 by 3072 photos and smooth 2560 by 1440 videos, especially when recording uncompressed to an onboard SD card. The real star here is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal, working in tandem with electronic image stabilization (EIS), ensuring your footage is silky smooth and cinematic, even in breezy conditions. Plus, you can remotely adjust the front lens for multiple angles directly from the controller, offering a truly comprehensive viewing experience. Flight performance and incredible range. Powered by robust brushless motors and a 5G relay system with 6 channels and a gyroscope, the S155 MAX offers remarkably stable flight and easy operation. Prepare to be amazed by its ultra-long 6,000-meter remote control distance and 800 m altitude capability, allowing you to explore vast landscapes. The high-capacity 7.4V 3800 mAh battery delivers an impressive 35 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to capture that perfect shot. You can even adjust the speed with slow, medium, and fast modes. Intelligent and safe flying. Fly with unprecedented confidence thanks to the advanced 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system, featuring 4-sided detection to intelligently navigate around potential hazards. The drone seamlessly switches between GPS mode for outdoor precision and optical flow mode for stable indoor flight. A suite of Wi-Fi connected smart functions like trajectory flying, one-click surround, intelligent following, emergency stop, and real-time FPV transmission make complex shots easy and intuitive. You can even add music, rotate the screen, and display the aircraft's position via the app. Intuitive control and practical design. The included remote control is a game-changer, featuring a large 7.2-inch touchscreen for a clear FPV feed and easy access to all settings. The drone itself is practically designed, with a folding mechanism, unfolded, 40 by 40 by 12 centimeters, folded, 19.5 by 10 by 12 centimeters, for portability and the ability to carry a load of up to 500 grams. What's in the box? The S155 MAX comes ready to fly with S155 MAX GPS Drone, touchscreen remote control, 3800 mAh battery, USB charging cable, screwdriver, 8 spare fan blades, 2 instruction manuals, laser obstacle avoidance module. The S155 MAX GPS drone packs a serious punch, offering professional-grade features like a 4K gimbal camera, advanced multi-directional obstacle avoidance, exceptional range, and an intuitive touch-screen controller. If you're looking to capture breathtaking aerial content with stability and precision, this drone is a compelling choice that truly soars above expectations. Please like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews, tech unboxings, and flight tests.